Today we're taking an up-close look at one of the most classic plants you can have in a garden, in your front yard, or on your commercial property, the boxwood. It's simple, it's structured, and it brings a clean, polished look to any space. Let's get in close and appreciate what makes this plant such a staple. When you look closely, boxwood leaves are small, glossy, and perfectly shaped. They grow tight and compact, creating that signature dense texture. Each leaf has a soft, rounded edge, and together they form this beautiful, uniform surface. It's one of those plants that looks simple from far away, but up close you can really see the detail that makes it special. Boxwoods naturally grow in a rounded, tidy form, but they're also incredibly easy to shape. Whether you like them loose and natural or trimmed into a clean ball or hedge, they hold their structure beautifully. Even a light trim keeps them looking fresh. That's why you see them in so many gardens. They bring order without feeling stiff. Boxwoods are dependable. They stay green all year, they handle heat, and they don't mind being the background plant that lets your flowers shine. They're perfect for framing a walkway, anchoring a flower bed, or adding a little evergreen structure to balance out seasonal color. They're like the quiet, steady friend in the garden that's always there but always looking good. And care is simple. Boxwoods like well draining soil and regular watering, especially in the heat. They don't need constant trimming, just a little shaping once or twice a year. And keeping mulch around the base helps protect the roots and holds moisture. They're low maintenance, but they give you a lot in return. So that's your up close look at boxwoods, a classic, reliable plant that brings structure and beauty to the garden all year long. Homeowners love it, business owners love it, and landscapers love it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.